What's up guys, welcome back to Moto 27. At first glance, the 2027 Husqvarna TC 250 might look like just another graphics update. But once you look closer, there are actually a few important changes that make this bike feel even more premium and race-focused than before. So, what's actually new on the 2027 TC 250? Let's talk about it. First, the biggest visual change for 2027 is definitely the new white frame. And honestly, this completely changes the personality of the bike. The previous model already looked clean, but this new white frame gives the TC 250 a much more factory race bike appearance. It looks sharper, lighter, and way more premium, especially combined with the new Swedish-inspired graphics. Husqvarna has always gone for a cleaner and more refined design compared to KTM's aggressive orange styling, and for 2027, that identity feels even stronger. The new graphics are subtle, but they make the bike look modern without trying too hard. And another cool detail, the graphics are integrated underneath the bodywork material, which helps them last longer and resist scratches better. Now performance-wise, Husqvarna didn't completely reinvent the TC 250. And honestly, they didn't need to. This thing was already one of the craziest modern 250 two-strokes on the market. You still get a 249 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine producing around 53 horsepower, while the bike weighs just under 100 kilograms. That power-to-weight ratio is absolutely insane. And unlike old-school two-strokes, this bike feels much more refined thanks to modern technology. You get electronic fuel injection, electric start, selectable riding maps, electronic exhaust control, and a counterbalancer that reduces vibration significantly. So even though it still has that explosive two-stroke hit, it feels smoother and easier to ride than older generation bikes. And then there's the hardware. The TC 250 still comes packed with premium components straight from the factory. XACT suspension, Brembo brakes, DID wheels, Pro Taper handlebars, and ODI lock-on grips. Honestly, it already feels like a race bike before you even touch a single aftermarket part. Now the big question, is it worth upgrading? If you already own the previous generation TC 250, this probably isn't a must-upgrade situation mechanically. But if you care about styling factory bike aesthetics and having one of the cleanest-looking modern two-strokes out there, the 2027 model definitely feels more special. And for riders looking to get into a modern 250 two-stroke for the first time, this might honestly be one of the best options available right now. The 2027 Husqvarna TC 250 may not be revolutionary, but Husqvarna clearly understood something important. When a bike is already this good, sometimes refinement makes more sense than a complete redesign. And honestly, they nailed it. Thanks for watching Moto 27. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.